Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OPPO Reno15 Pro. In this video I want to show you how to enable edge lighting for notifications on this device. Let's open settings on your phone and let's go to home screen, lock screen and style. Let's scroll and tap more. Let's select edge lighting and you can choose your preferred color and style. So this is blue, red and this yellow gold. And once selected, the feature is active and you can see here animation. This is the preview of how it will look like when you receive a notification or call. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.